We welcome you from our heart in Netherlands. Baba is here directly on the sea, and you hear the Om which is coming and going, coming and going, coming and going. We will have satsang here on the beach. Om Sai Ram.
Akandamandalakaram yaptam yena characharam tatpadam darshitam yena tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Ajnanam Timirandasya Jnanajaya Shalakaya Chakshurvetam yena tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Stavaram Yangamam Yaptam Yatkinsit Sacharacharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Bhavatyapya Sarvam Trilokam Sacharacharam Tatpadam Darshitam Yena Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Savashuti Shiroratna Virajita Padam Vedantam Pujo Suryas Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Chaitanya Shashvata Shanto Vyomatitva Niranjana Bindunada Kaladhita Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Jnana Shakti Samadhuta Tattva Malavibhushita Bhukti Mukti Pradatara Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Aneka Jamma Samaprata Karma Bandha Vidagune Atma Jnana Parayana Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Soshana Bhava Sindhusha Jnanaparam Sara Sambala Guru Padolakam Samya Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Na Guru Radhikam Tattvam Na Guru Radhikam Tapa Tattvam Param Asti Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Manata Shri Jagannatha Madhuru Shri Jagatguru Maratma Savabhutatma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Guru Radhiranadishcha Guru Paramadaivatam Guru Parataram Nasti Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Tvameva Mata Cha Pita Tvameva Tvameva Bandhuscha Sakha Tvameva Vidya Dravinam Tvameva Sarva Mama Deva Deva Tvameva Sarva Mama Deva Deva Shri Sai Nathaya Namaha Om Lakshmi Narayana Namaha Om Krishna Rama Shiva Bhakti-rupaya Namaha Om Sheshashani Namaha Om Buddha-vidakachinatmasi Namaha Om Bhakta-hridayaya Namaha Om Sarva-indraya Namaha Om Bhuta-vashaya Namaha Om Bhuta-bhavishyat-pravarjitaya Namaha Om Kalatihaya Namaha Om Kalaya Namaha Om Kalakalaya Namaha Om Kalakarvanamaya Namaha Om Mrityunjayaya Namaha Om Amathyaya Namaha Om Mathyabhyapyaya Namaha Om Jivadharaya Namaha Om Sarvadharaya Namaha Om Bhaktavana Samataya Namaha Om Bhaktavana Pratidaya Namaha Om Annavasya सर्वैश्वर्यदाय नमः। ॐ आरोग्यक्षेमदाय नमः। ॐ धनमङ्गलप्रदाय नमः। ॐ दिव्यसिद्धिदाय नमः। ॐ पुत्रमित्रकलत्रदाय नमः। ॐ योगक्षेममहाय नमः। ॐ आपद्बान्धवाय नमः। ॐ मार्गबन्धवे नमः। ॐ मुक्तिमुक्तिस्वर्गदाय नमः। ॐ प्रियाय नमः। ॐ प्रीतिवर्धनाय नमः। ॐ आचार्याय नमः। ॐ सच्चिदानन्दे नमः। ॐ नित्यानन्दाय नमः। ॐ परमसुखदाय नमः। ॐ परमेश्वराय नमः। ॐ परब्रह्मणे नमः। ॐ परमात्मने नमः। ॐ ज्ञानस्वरूपिणे नमः। ॐ जगतपितरे नमः। ॐ भक्तानां मातृकाय नमः। ॐ भक्तभयप्रदाय नमः। ॐ भक्तपराधीनाय नमः। ॐ भक्तानुग्रहकाराय नमः। ॐ शरणागतवत्सलाय नमः। ॐ भक्तिशक्तिप्रदाय नमः। ॐ ज्ञानवैराग्यदाय नमः। ॐ प्रेमप्रदाय नमः। ॐ संसार हृदय दुर्पराक्रमाय नमः। ॐ कर्मध्वंसिने नमः। ॐ शुद्धसत्त्वयाय नमः। गुणातीतगुणात्मने नमः। ॐ अनन्तकल्याणगुणाय नमः। ॐ अमितपराक्रमाय नमः। ॐ जैने नमः। ॐ दुर्गक्षोभ्राय नमः। ॐ अपराजिताय नमः। ॐ त्रिलेखेषु अव्यक्तागते नमः। ॐ अक्षयरथ्याय नमः। ॐ सर्वशक्तिमूर्तये नमः। ॐ स्वरूपसुन्दराय नमः। ॐ सुलोचनाय नमः। ॐ बहुरूपविश्वमूर्तये नमः। ॐ अरूपाय नमः। ॐ अचिन्त्याय नमः। ॐ सूक्ष्माय नमः। ॐ सर्वात्मने नमः। ॐ मनोहराय नमः। ॐ प्रेममूर्तये नमः। ॐ सुलभदुर्लभाय नमः। ॐ असहाय नमः। ॐ अनन्तदीनबन्धवे नमः। ॐ सर्वभारते नमः। ॐ अकर्मिककर्मसुकर्माय नमः। ॐ पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तनाय नमः। ॐ कीर्त्याय नमः। ॐ वासुदेवाय नमः। ॐ सताङ्गतये नमः। ॐ सत्परायणाय नमः। ॐ लोकनाथाय नमः। ॐ पावनगंगाय नमः। ॐ अमृताश्रयाय नमः। ॐ भास्करप्रभाय नमः। ॐ ब्रह्मचर्यतपस्यादिश्रीताय नमः। ॐ सत्यधर्मपरायणाय नमः। ॐ सिद्धेश्वराय नमः। ॐ सिद्धसङ्कल्पाय नमः। ॐ योगेश्वराय नमः। ॐ भगवते नमः। ॐ भक्तवत्सलाय नमः। ॐ सत्पुरुषाय नमः। ॐ पुरुषोत्तमाय नमः। ॐ सत्यतत्त्वबोधकाय नमः। ॐ कामादिषट्कादिध्वंसिने नमः। ॐ अभेदानन्दप्रदाय नमः। ॐ समसर्वमतसम्मताय नमः। ॐ श्रीदक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ॐ श्रीवेङ्कटेशरमणाय नमः। ॐ अद्भुताचार्याय नमः। ॐ प्राणप्रतिहृदयाय नमः। ॐ संसार सर्वदुःखक्षयकराय नमः। ॐ सर्वतोमुखाय नमः। ॐ सर्वान्तर्बाह्यस्थिताय नमः। ॐ सर्वमङ्गलक्षाय नमः। ॐ सर्वाधिकप्रदाय नमः। ॐ संसारसन्मार्गस्थापनाय नमः। ॐ श्री समर्थ सद्गुरु साईनाथाय नमः।
So we welcome all here, and now we will have an experience we had in the Shirdi Sai Baba temple in Amsterdam, and let's begin.
Okay, so I would like to say what happened that day. On that day when Hari came down, after waking up, immediately he said that we have to sing 7 times Hanuman Chalisa in that Amsterdam temple. And then we called those temple people that whether we can come there and sing Hanuman Chalisa. And they said yes. So this was the first instruction that Baba gave it to Hari, that we have to sing that day 7 times Hanuman Chalisa in the temple. Then afterwards, around afternoon, we were about to go for a walk in a beach, in a lake. And then when we were walking, Hari was superbly fine, everything was fine. But the moment we started walking even a little bit further, we saw that Hari was literally, he became 20 years older. That means he started feeling very weak and he couldn't even move, and then I could see that he is very, very tired. What I did, I just asked Hari, why are you feeling so much tired? Are you tired? Then he said, yeah, I'm feeling too much of energy, and then his bones were hurting and he was feeling very, very weak, literally 20 years older. That means he was feeling some energy around, that is something is going to happen or something, and he was feeling that. So what happened, we decided to come back. But the interesting part was, at that time we came to know that that there were like 20 soldiers that were killed between India and China, because China killed 20 soldiers from India, and I mean it is like a war situation. So it was about something related to land, and also we heard that there was earthquake happening. So all these energies, Hari felt it. So we came back to the temple, and then we decided, okay, we collect the person from the temple of Amsterdam and we go to temple. But before that, what happened is, Hari asked me to collect some flowers from the garden, and then he wanted some specific flowers from the gardens, which we took, and then we left for the temple. But already in the car, he was feeling lot of energy which was like booming out from his body. And then the moment we arrived in the temple energy was really something was amiss, and Hari was full of energy and he was literally vibrating with full of energy. And then the moment he saw Baba, the first statement was like, this temple needs Lakshmi. I mean, he knew what is the state of that temple and also the energy over there. So he started throwing flowers on Baba and also giving lot of his energy to the Baba, because he saw that there was the energy in the Baba, or it was a lifeless Baba Murti at that time. But then Hari, through what he did, he gave the flowers to the energy, to the Baba. And at that time, the interesting part was that, I mean, this is what we witnessed here. He offered one flower to Baba's feet, and that flower, if it has to fall, it has to fall straight. But it literally fell in an inclined direction, and it came directly to Hari's feet. So what we witnessed is Baba offering flower to his feet, and he in turn offering Baba to his feet. So both were offering flower. That is, it's one. So there was that we saw the oneness, and then there was an energy change in the whole temple, and this is what we saw. And then we started singing Hanuman Chalisa as it was said by the Baba in the morning to Hari to sing 7 times. So first we sang 5 times, and later we did a Aarti, and after that we did the 2 times Hanuman Chalisa. And then it was incredible. It was a beautiful energy around, and at that moment, even the people from that family, from that temple, they saw that Baba started smiling. It was incredible. We literally saw Baba started smiling after the 7 times of Hanuman Chalisa that we did in that temple. So it was beautiful, incredible thing that we witnessed, and we are very grateful and thankful to Hari and to Baba for all these things. So thank you, Baba. Thank you for everything. Om Sai Ram.
Thank you, Netherlands, to invite us and to have this heartful energy which is in this country, this free country, which, yeah, it's incredible here in Netherlands. Always I like this country because it's so free. And now we want to sing for this country, for Baba in Netherlands. And we want really that in Netherlands Baba is worshipped. We know 2 temples, but we also know there are other families also coming to our temple, to Frankfurt. And we want really that Baba is worshipped in Netherlands, and that everyone feels his love inside his heart. Let's sing. Gajavadana, Gananata, Gajavadana,
गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना दीननाथा
गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना दीननाथा
गजवदना गणनाथा गजवदना दीननाथा
सिद्धिदाता शिवतनया
सिद्धिदाता शिवतनया
सिद्धिदाता शिवतनया
सिद्धिदाता शिवतनया
भूरिप्रदायक गजानना
भूरिप्रदायक गजानना
भूरिप्रदायक गजानना
बुद्धिप्रदायक गजानना
पार्वती नंदन भव भय भंजन
पार्वती नंदन भव भय भंजन
पार्वती
पार्वती
नंदन
नंदन भव भय भंजन
युग युग वंदित जय श्री गणेश
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 गजवदना गणनाथ गजवदना दीननाथ
गजवदना गणनाथ गजवदना दीननाथ
गजवदना गणनाथ गजवदना दीननाथ
गजवदना गणनाथ गजवदना दीननाथ
सिद्धिदाता शिवतनया
सिद्धिदाता शिवतनया
सिद्धिदाता शिवतनया
सिद्धिदाता शिवतनया
भूरिप्रदायक गजानना
भूरिप्रदायक गजवदना
भूरिप्रदायक गजानना
भूरिप्रदायक गजवदना
पार्वती नंदन भव भय भंजन
पार्वती नंदन भव भय भंजन
पार्वती नंदन भव भय भंजन
पार्वती नंदन भव भय नंदन
युग युग वंदित जय श्री गणेश
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 गजवदना
गणनाथ गजवदना दीननाथ
गुरुदेवा शरणं देवा
गुरुदेवा शरणं देवा
गुरुदेवा शरणं देवा
गुरुदेवा शरणं देवा
पाहि प्रभो शरणं देवा
पाहि प्रभो शरणं देवा
पाहि प्रभो शरणं देवा
पाहि प्रभो शरणं देवा
गुरुदेवा शरणं देवा
गुरुदेवा शरणं देवा
गुरुदेवा शरणं देवा
गुरुदेवा शरणं देवा
सुंदर रूपा शिशिरि साई
सुंदर रूपा शिशिरि साई
सुंदर रूपा शिशिरि साई
सुंदर रूपा शिशिरि साई
शरणं शरणं सद्गुरुदेवा
शरणं शरणं सद्गुरुदेवा
शरणं शरणं सद्गुरुदेवा
पाहि प्रभो शरणं देवा
पाहि प्रभो शरणं देवा
पाहि प्रभो शरणं देवा
गुरुदेवा शरणं देवा
गुरुदेवा शरणं देवा
गुरुदेवा शरणं देवा
गुरुदेवा शरणं देवा
सुंदर रूप शिशिर साई
सुंदर रूपा शिशिर साई
सुंदर रूप शिशिर साई
सुंदर रूपा शिशिर साई
शरणं शरणं सद्गुरुदेवा
शरणं शरणं सद्गुरुदेवा
शरणं शरणं सद्गुरुदेवा
शरणं शरणं सद्गुरुदेवा
गुरुदेवा शरणं
देवा
हे अम्बा बोल ईश्वर सतचित आनंद बोल
हे अम्बा हे अम्बा हे अम्बा बोल ईश्वर सतचित आनंद बोल
हे अम्बा हे अम्बा हे अम्बा बोल ईश्वर सतचित आनंद बोल
हे अम्बा हे अम्बा हे अम्बा बोल ईश्वर सतचित आनंद बोल
संब सदा शिव संब सदा शिव संब सदा शिव बोल पालक प्रेरक सतीपति बोल
सांब सदा शिव सांब सदा शिव सांब सदा शिव बोल
पालक प्रेरक सतीपति बोल संब सदा शिव संब सदा शिव संब सदा शिव बोल पालक प्रेरक सतीपति बोल
सांब सदा शिव सांब सदा शिव सांब सदा शिव बोल पालक प्रेरक सतीपति बोल
अम्बा अम्बा जय जगदम्बा अखिलादेश्वरी जय जगदम्बा
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 हे अम्बा हे अम्बा हे अम्बा बोल ईश्वर सतचित आनंद बोल
हे अम्बा हे अम्बा हे अम्बा बोल ईश्वर
सतचित आनंद बोल संब सदा शिव संब सदा शिव संब सदा शिव बोल पालक प्रेरक सतीपति बोल
सांब सदा शिव सांब सदा शिव सांब सदा शिव बोल पालक प्रेरक सतीपति बोल
अम्बा अम्बा जय जगदम्बा अखिलादेश्वरी जय जगदम्बा
अम्बा अम्बा जय जगदम्बा अखिलादेश्वरी जय जगदम्बा
अम्बा अम्बा जय जगदम्बा अखिलादेश्वरी जय जगदम्बा
अम्बा
अम्बा जय जगदम्बा अखिलादेश्वरी जय जगदम्बा अम्बा अम्बा जय जगदम्बा अखिलादेश्वरी जय जगदम्बा
अम्बा अम्बा
जय जगदम्बा
अखिलादेश्वरी जय जगदम्बा
अम्बा अम्बा जय जगदम्बा
अखिलादेश्वरी जय जगदम्बा
अम्बा अम्बा जय जगदम्बा
अखिलादेश्वरी जय जगदम्बा
अम्बा अम्बा जय जगदम्बा
अखिलादेश्वरी अखिलांडेश्वरी जय जगदम्बा अम्बा अम्बा जय जगदम्बा 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 अखिलांडेश्वरी जय जगदम्बा.
Breathing Baba's presence. Love is unable to reject. Bhagwati Shinde has touched me deeply since I was a young devotee of Baba. How he surrenders and gave his life to divinity itself. And I kept wondering, why did Baba have him as a constant companion? Unfortunately, very little is known about him and his family. He seems to be the wind around Baba's body, unseen and worthless and mostly rejected. He made himself in the background, but Baba always breathes with him. His elder brother Raghuji says once Bhagwatji was suffering from a high fever and he was at death's door, and Baba came to our home. He branded Bhagwatji with a hot iron rod on his back and temples, and he recovered soon after. It is said that Baba once asked Bhagwatji to ask for a boon of being cured of his leprosy. However, Bhagwatji said, "Baba, I am not concerned about my physical appearance or my disease, but I would like you to give me this wish, which is that I be allowed to be with you all the times, and that I be allowed to come to Dwarkamai whenever I wish." And Baba granted him the wish. Thus, Bhagwatji was the first person to enter the Dwarkamai early in the morning when Baba sat in front of the Dhuni and massaged Baba's burnt hand. After doing this seva, he would prepare Baba's chilim for him and they would smoke it together. And only after Bhagwatji left would the other devotees be allowed to come up. He was allowed in Baba's intimacy and was following Baba's words and deeds, always fully loyal with his huge love. In following Baba, everyone can see his huge love for Baba and his trust in him. He did this seva without fail every day till 1918. Bhagwatji's commitment was to hold the ornamental umbrella for Baba when Baba went to Lendiba. Thus Baba immortalized him because he is seen in the photograph behind Baba holding the umbrella, and when devotee sees that photo years later, they will remember him. There are many lessons to be learned from the life of this great devotee. Bhagwatji transcended body consciousness in Shuddha Chaitanya, Baba's constant presence. He was least concerned about how he looked. He had lost most of the fingers of his hand and also a part of his nose. The nose is a prominent feature of the face. Although his body oozed pus and blood, was foul-smelling, he was not concerned about the sneers and disgusted looks that the others gave him, nor did the unkind words of people have an effect on him. To go beyond the body appearance, even when many reject you because of the fear to be infected, and to feel the love in attraction and rejection is a high state. This is the state of complete Siddha Pragya, equanimity. He was determined to bring the Guru's love in action, come what may, and he persevered. Never once did he fail to come to massage Baba's burnt hand, regardless of the bitter cold or torrential rain. This is Dhrida Buddhi. Among the 9 Vida Bhakti, Bhagwatji is the apt example of Dasya, all kinds of seva to Sadguru. Bhagwatji had surrendered totally at his Sadguru's feet to his words and deeds. He was breathing Baba's presence. Om Sai Ram.
Now we sing the Ahad.
थोड़ा दूर मेंटेन करना, थोड़ा दूर 1.5 meters.
Shanti, Shanti.